Hey everyone, I'm Steve from SKIER'S Marine here at the boat show, and I'm here to answer a very frequently asked question. So a lot of people attending the boat show don't actually know that the boats here are for sale. If you have a boat that you're interested in, we do a 100% refundable deposit that'll hold that boat, that production slot, whichever it may be. You come back to the dealership, you meet our team, finalize your options, go for a test drive. If it ends up not being the right boat for you, we can happily transfer that to another in-stock boat or another production slot if you choose to custom order. Come see us at the boat show today.